Hey there guys, Mr. D-Pie here. Today I am going to be crossing the Atlantic Ocean in Google Earth. Now look here, bet y'all seen the thumbnail. Y'all thought I was really going to cross the Atlantic Ocean, or sail it, right? Well, first of all, I don't have a boating license. I'm only 15. Secondly, I have way too less subscribers to do something like what Mr. Beast would do, but if I were to really do this, it would take about 18 days. This is just the minimum. So yeah, I'm going to be crossing it in Google Earth, and this may take a bit shorter. So yeah, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And we're off. It's been about 15 minutes. It's probably not even seeing any land yet. As a fun fact, I've wanted to cross the Atlantic Ocean ever since I was 6 years old. So yeah, I'm just really excited to do this. Although it's just in Google Earth, I'd still count it as crossing the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so we're about 45 minutes in. And I'm not seeing any land yet. This is definitely one of those harder challenges or simulations I've ever done. So yeah, but I need to do it to check off the 9-year thing that was on my bucket list. And unexpectedly, I'm doing it in front of over 140 people. Yes, thank you for 140 subscribers. Really appreciate it. Not seeing any land, and it's been about 1 hour. Dang. I'm really starting to think that there isn't even an end to this. I've been scrolling for a very long time, although it may not look like it. You can even see those moving lines that represent them entering a new chunk of terrain. That's just what Google Earth is all about. It's now been 1 hour and 15 minutes, so that's 75 minutes. On average, this should take about 2 hours. So, yeah. This is definitely a harder challenge of mine, but I am pumped. I've wanted to do this for literally 9 years, so I'm now going to be doing this. Now we're in 30 minutes. It has definitely been a while. One hour and 45 minutes. I've been scrolling, for a very long time. I've been scrolling, over 20,000 times, probably. 1 hour, 59 minutes, 50 seconds. Come on, we're almost at 2 hours. Here we go, we're at 2 hours. Oh my goodness. Yep, this is really starting to feel painful for my finger, but I'm good with it. I see land! I see land! I see land! After 9 years, I can finally say, I did it. Yes! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just crossed the entire Atlantic Ocean in Google Earth! Let's go! Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.